Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create a new email address. So an email address, it identifies where the email is to be sent. So that is the overall purpose of the email address. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am inside my browser. So what I'm going to do is search for create Outlook account, then click over here. Click on the first link, that is the outlook.live.com. Click on create free account. Add a new email. Click on next. Create a password. Then click on next. Add a first name and a last name. You can also save your password, so it won't ask you a password again. Password is saved. Now we can click on next. Now the country is selected. I just need to select my birth date. Use my birth date. So click on next. Okay, so now it will ask for your a phone number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter let's say I need to select my country. Let's go to okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my number. Click on send code. So now we need to wait until the code comes out. So now I have entered my code. Click on next. So now it's preparing the account. So it means that you're currently signed in, as this is the email that I entered. So this is something of the Microsoft issue, but the account has been created. Now you can use your credentials to log in. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to create a new email address. Thank you for watching.